Hey everyone, welcome back to ModestMoney.com's YouTube channel. Today I'm thrilled to dive into Options Strategies Insider, a top-tier platform that's revolutionizing options trading. They have delivered an astounding 89% success rate since its inception. Options trading can be a bit overwhelming, but that's where I think Options Strategies Insider shines. This platform isn't just about trading, it's about empowering you with the knowledge and tools needed to navigate the world of options with confidence and skill. One of the most impressive aspects of Options Strategies Insider is their educational content. They offer a vast array of articles, video tutorials, and in-depth courses that cover everything from the basics of options trading to advanced strategies. This ensures you're well-equipped with the knowledge to make informed trading decisions. But that's not all. Options Strategies Insider also keeps you ahead of the game with real-time trade alerts and market analysis. This proactive approach is designed to help you capitalize on market trends and execute timely trades, maximizing your potential for success. So, why do so many traders trust Options Strategies Insider? What makes it a standout resource for mastering options trading? Stick around as I dive into its features, user experiences, and why it might be the perfect fit for your trading journey. And if you're ready to elevate your options trading skills, be sure to check the link in the description for more information. I have negotiated an exclusive offer that grants you a $7 trial membership and then 20% off for life. So, let's jump in. I want to start by talking about the founder and the story behind the founding of Options Strategies Insider. Chris Douthit is a seasoned professional with over 20 years of experience in business and finance. Before founding Options Strategies Insider, he established Visual Garden in 2003, managing 50-plus web projects and creating educational content. Chris holds an MBA in project management and degrees in finance, real estate, and corporate finance, along with a minor in computer science. In 2014, Chris consulted for a man named Jim, who was misled by a dubious option trade alert service. This experience highlighted the need for transparent and honest trading advice, leading Chris to create Options Strategies Insider. The goal was to provide clear professional strategies and methodologies for trading options, ensuring traders could make informed decisions based on accurate information. Based on the 89% success rate on trades since its inception in 2015, it seems Options Strategies Insider is accomplishing its goals. But how has it achieved such a high success rate? Let's get into their features and main offering. First, I would like to note how clean the dashboard is. It has large clickable buttons to navigate and is really intuitive. It makes it easy for anyone to get started with its clearly marked Start Here button. Alright, let's quickly walk through the steps you'll take after clicking Start Here on Options Strategies Insider. First, you'll enter the Option Training Center, where you'll dive into a comprehensive course designed by Chris Douthit, a former lead market maker. It's packed with everything you need to learn about options trading. Next, you'll need to open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. You are actually allowed to use any broker you want, but Options Strategies Insider suggests a TD Ameritrade account. This broker is highly recommended for its powerful options trading software and low fees, providing a solid foundation for your trading journey. After setting up your account, you'll apply for a margin trading account to trade short options. Just ensure your account balance is at least $2,000 to get started. For those advanced strategies, you'll then apply for Tier 2 standard margin, which allows you to trade more sophisticated options strategies. Now, it's time to download thinkorswim, TD Ameritrade's premier options trading platform. This software is fantastic for self-directed traders, offering all the tools you need. Again, if you already have a different brokerage account, you can skip this step. Once downloaded, you'll set up thinkorswim to optimize and configure it for your trading needs, including custom plugins to enhance your experience. Finally, familiarize yourself with the Options Strategies Insider site. Explore the tools and options available to help you become a better trader. With professional trading strategies and trade alerts, you can profit while you learn. So those are the normal steps to get you up to speed. Now I want to scroll back up and check out their Options Training Center. This section is where you can learn the ins and outs of options trading, from the basics to advanced strategies. The training is designed to be interactive and engaging, with a mix of 2D animation and real-life examples that make learning fun and easy. Options trading allows you to control a stock for a fraction of its per-share price, leveraging small amounts of capital for potentially dramatic results. Here, you'll find a range of modules categorized into beginning options, intermediate options, and advanced option strategies. Each module includes video tutorials, quizzes to test your knowledge, and discussion sections to share your thoughts. Starting with the basics, you'll cover topics like why options are valuable, how to read options, and the fundamentals of pricing. As you progress to intermediate and advanced levels, you'll delve into specific strategies like iron condors, butterfly spreads, and calendar spreads. This structured approach ensures you build a strong foundation that I believe all options traders need before tackling more complex trades. This comprehensive training center is perfect for both beginners and experienced traders looking to refine their strategies. With Chris Douthit's expertise and the intuitive design of these courses, you'll be well equipped to navigate the world of options trading with confidence. Next, let's take a look at the Trade Alerts feature to see how Options Strategies Insider helps streamline the trading process. Trade alerts are what we're all here for. If you aren't a full-time stock trader, you likely won't have time to research every single trade. That's where Options Strategies Insider's Trade Alerts come in. They help streamline your options trading experience by sending you timely alerts based on various factors such as specific price targets, volatility spikes, and technical indicators. Chris provides guidance for both when to buy and when to sell, ensuring you have a clear strategy. These alerts are sent via email or Twitter, and they are exclusive to paying members. Let's look at some of the recent trades and the performance stats. You can see that they have had some recent success. This kind of performance shows the effectiveness of their trade alerts. But it isn't just recently. Let's take a look at their annual performances. As you can see, Options Strategies Insider has delivered huge returns every year, from a low of 72% in 2020 to a high of 205% in 2022. These returns are extremely impressive to me. What types of strategies do they suggest? The chart shows a variety of strategies, with a focus on debit spreads, credit spreads, and iron condors, among others. This diversification helps cater to different trading preferences and market conditions. I hope you found this deep dive into Options Strategies Insider as fascinating as I did. This platform is truly a powerhouse for anyone looking to master options trading. It's not just about the trades, it's about equipping you with the knowledge and tools you need to trade with confidence and skill. From my own experience, the educational resources here are top-notch. They break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand modules, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned traders. The trade alerts are a game changer, giving you timely insights on when to buy and sell, which is crucial if you don't have hours to spend on market research. What I really love about Options Strategies Insider is how comprehensive it is. Beyond the educational content and trade alerts, they also offer some fantastic trading tools like an options calculator and the options trading spreadsheet. These tools are incredibly useful for planning and executing your trades more efficiently. If you're serious about options trading, I highly recommend giving this platform a try. The $7 trial membership is a fantastic deal. And with the 20% discount for life, it's an opportunity you don't want to miss. Just click the link in the description to get started. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below. Happy trading!